ade ngikhala lana ngikhalela ukuthi into eziningi ezizenzayo aziyakhi sense nami ngaphezulu masuthi question aziyakhi sense ukubuza la can you risk something that is very scarce and precious to you just to show and prove to people that you can risk this and still have it in abundance? Because that's what we do. Tina, when it comes to spending, we don't focus on utility and efficiency. We focus on how are we going to be viewed if we have this now. We are constantly denting wealth yethu, our wealth potential, because of our self-worth. Uyazi ukuthi wealth is what you don't see. Someone who is wealth is someone you cannot even give a second glance if you come across in the grocery shop. Indlela zobe yona nje. It's very ordinary. Kodwa una 2 to 3 million kwi portfolio yakhe angayeka umsebenzi noma inini methanda. Yes. But ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele changes akhasha othi kungenza noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona ke manje sengingafika ngibeke ophaqa baka 50 rand ngiphinde ngibeke ophaqa baka 500 rands. Labo ophaqa lapha lama pair ophaqa ayafana ncimishi, ukhala uyafana, i-design iyafana, yonke into iyafana, kufana ngisho size. Kodwa laba baka 500 rands banye triangle nje encane emnyama phela. Yazi ukuthi umuntu engafika athathe baphi manje, engafika athathe laba baka 500. Yazi ayeke laba baka 50 rand. Angithi uyabona ukuthi now is not a matter of utility. It's not a matter of ukuthi into useful kangakanani. Because people can buy amaguza amakhulu abasindayo kube nzima ngisho ukuhamba, kodwa they buy it anyway because they are costly. They can buy iphone